YouTubers, here we go again. I have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. You can get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And they'll ship to you in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Here we go. Let's see what's inside. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. And this is coming from Snapfresh. So it's that time of year again. Spring, yard work. Summertime's around the corner. You might want to get one of these. Be a nice little either Father's Day or Mother's Day gift. There we go. I think I got it all. Oh, missed. Oh yeah, here we go, guys. This is not a toy, so be careful handling it. There we go. Yep, this is coming from Snapfresh. Bada boom. Cordless Hedge trimmer. So, you guys are looking for a new one. This would be a good one to get. 22-inch blade. Cordless. You'll be all set this summer. Here we go. Definitely can't test it out right now because it's like late. But we'll see how it works. Oh boy. We got the, definitely gonna need this. First time ever setting one of these. Whoa. Just be careful. Definitely could hurt yourself. Okay, we'll put this on the ground. This comes with a blade protector, so that's a good thing. This must be the charging. Not sure what. We'll figure that out. Then we have here. This one's pretty heavy. Maybe this is the battery. Yep. So you get the battery here. 2.0. 20 volt. Get the charging deck. Should be good to go. So I don't need to charge it right now. But you know how to use those. Just plug it in and then slide it into grooves to your snap. Okay, so we got the charge there. This thingy looks like a handle or something. Figure that out in a sec. Don't need that. Okay, got that there. Here she is. Yeah, see the battery's off. You slide it through there. Really nice. Got a press right here to unleash. But I want to see. Oh, this probably goes here like a protection from objects. I might be wrong, but that's what I could think of. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was close. This goes into right here. Ow. Hold on. Alright guys, there is some screwing to do. These little screws that go into this little hole right here. And they're at the bottom of the back, or the bottom. So make sure you find them. Little black tiny screws. And then these two on the other side, there's one. So there's a total of four screws that are down at the bottom. So make sure you see that. I couldn't find it at first, but I got it. Alright, test run. Should we take off? We gotta squeeze. Just be careful. Don't want to go to the emergency room. We gotta press. Oh. Whoa. Yeah, be careful, guys. Definitely not a toy. Got some things right here. It's not plugged in yet. Check out these fangs. Get some zombies for sure. And it's cordless, which is a bonus. And now we're going to test this thing out. Battery time. So I make sure I don't cut nothing. Don't want to cut my leg either. We are locked in. And raise it up a little bit. Might be hard to do. Whoa. So you gotta hold it in. Really nice. This could do some heavy trees. Really cool. So again, you just gotta go. I just gotta be careful, don't cut. Click this in and hold. So there you go, guys. Check them out. I'm gonna turn off the battery now. Well, 1 minute. There we go. This right here, you just pull down, takes it out, everything's safe. Have a good night. Take it easy. See you tomorrow.